how to get Pikachu in Pokemon Go or how to capture Pikachu in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Vaishnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can get Pikachu in Pokemon Go. Now basically getting a Pikachu in Pokemon Go is quite easy. The game will offer you one when you begin the game, when you start your journey on Pokemon Go. Now once you open up your account, once you create an account and once you open up Pokemon Go, basically the professor will offer you 3 different Pokemons there that will appear here while you walk on the streets here. Now what you have to do is you'll have to ignore it. You'll have to ignore those 3 Pokemons. You don't want to capture any of those. You'll get basically the Bulbasaur, the Squirtle and such. So what you want to do is you want to ignore it and you don't want to capture it and you want to walk away. In my case, I'm not walking here, but you can walk away, and once you do so, once you keep walking away from those 3 different Pokemons that will appear there, eventually the Pikachu will be spotted, or you'll get Pikachu there, and then you can tap on it and open it up and you can capture it. So this way you can easily get Pikachu in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.